Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be cooking, which if you guys know me and know me well enough, that I don't know how to cook to save my entire life. But I thought, when in quarantine/lockdown experiments, that is what I'm doing. So I ordered a Simply Cook box for £1. It basically has 4 recipes and it comes looking like this. These are the recipes. So it has all the methods on how to cook them, ingredients, and then it also gives you the paste and sauces you need. So let's put that back. The one I got was a jambalaya chicken. So I'm going to show you how to cook this and hopefully it goes right. Hopefully. So if you want to know how I made this, then please keep watching. Let's go. So first up, I am cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. You're supposed to use about 3 to 4 boneless chicken thighs, but I'm using 5 because 5 came in the pack, and why not? Use it all. So as you can see, this is my first time cutting chicken. My mum's a perfectionist, so she never actually lets me into the kitchen. So I'm doing this for the first time. So please do not judge, as I'm quite enjoying myself doing this. So for seasoning, I'm using Cajun seasoning to mix in with the chicken. This is my mum pouring it in because she doesn't trust me. Lol. And I'm mixing the Cajun seasoning into the chicken with a spoon. So yeah, that's what we're going to use for flavour. Tell me what's your flavour. Ooh. Do you guys remember that song? Absolute banger. So yeah, I'm now just mixing it with the spoon. I got a whole tactic going on. I'm spinning the bowl and mixing it with a spoon. God, I don't even look like this is my first time cooking. Ain't I pro? And look at that flick of the wrist. You go, girl. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't cook. You're doing a great job. I don't know why I'm going American. Maybe this is the accent I use for voiceover. Who knows? So I'm mixing. Also, chicken is so squidgy, guys. It's gross and yet satisfying. How strange. I don't know if that's just my opinion, but yeah. Oh, we got perfectionists at the back checking the recipe, making sure I'm doing it correctly, because perfectionists don't trust you. That's for sure. So now I am cooking the chicken on the stove. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using for the jambalaya. First up, we got chorizo. So I'm using about 150 grams of chorizo and I've cut them into small cubes. And I'm frying that for 2 minutes before I add everything else. So we got 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 celery sticks, finely chopped, and we're using garlic paste. So I'm going to chuck that all into the pot. So I've used 2 red peppers, roughly chopped. You can use 1 green and 1 red. And this is all mixed into the pot. So now you use about 180 grams of basmati rice. I used 4 cups of rice because I wanted it to last for 2 nights. And yeah, so now I'm adding 500 milliliters of boiled water to the pan. And I've also added jambalaya stock pot for extra flavor. We're going to have lots of flavor in here. And I'm cooking that for 12 to 15 minutes. And also putting it on a medium to low heat and covering it with a lid. This is it, bringing it to a boil. Wow, those 12 to 15 minutes went really quickly. So now we're adding the chicken to make the chicken jambalaya. And there you go, Bob's your uncle. How banging does that look? Call me a chef. I'm super happy with myself, clearly. I think I did pretty well. I mean, they look alike, so I'm chuffed with that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you in my next video. Bye.